Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Navy Federal Credit Union Bank to Splitwise. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fund Splitwise transactions with your Navy Federal Credit Union Bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to Splitwise. Then click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Next, click on Connected Accounts, which is located at the bottom. Then from here, click on Add a Funding Source. Now click on Bank Account, and then it's going to redirect you to a software called Plaid. Plaid is what Splitwise uses in order to connect different financial institutions together. Click on Continue, then click on Continue again, then click on Navy Federal Credit Union. Next, it's going to prompt you to log into your Navy Federal Credit Union bank, where you can select which accounts you want to connect to Splitwise. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Navy Federal Credit Union bank with Splitwise. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.